Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? I hope you would be absolutely fine. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and to receive notification of this platform which is running through a multi-dimensional approach. Don't forget to press the bell icon. A little thing can change your life. Yes, you're right, a little thing. A little moment of inspiration, which can be anything, which can be any moment, which can be any act, which can be a little thing. If you're sitting somewhere, you watch something and you say, wow, that's amazing, which can inspire you. You're walking on the street and see something and just stand by and look and say, oh, that's beautiful. Just that kind of thing can change your life, can turn everything what was before. Let me share something which was in my life and which turned everything. I was in, you can say, metric. In fact, I just done my matriculation and had to decide in which college I have to go for the to complete my inter examination and all. I came across somebody, just had a little discussion regarding where I have to go, in which college I have to go, and she said you should come in Defense Authority Degree College. That very suggestion, a little thing which she said allowed me to sing hours and hours and hours about DHA college. And then I did not only complete my inter from DHA, became the student of that college and became the best English and Urdu speaker from that particular college, represented that college in 12 competitions. Not only this, even if I'm able to speak over here right now in front of you, just because of that one suggestion which I received from her. So that one moment can change everything. I'll tell you in detail, inshallah, in some other videos about the whole moment, how that moment came across in my life. So that little thing can change your life. Life is a journey. You must have heard that proverb in your life, that life is a journey. It's a long journey. But imagine a journey without station, without anything. You are traveling, you're unaware of where you are going. If anybody asks you, hey, where are you going? You say, I don't know. People will say, hey, are you crazy? You don't know, and you're just going on and on and on. This is as simple as that. If you're living your life without a journey, without a goal, without a vision, without a mission, you're not living a good life at all. So always try to keep small targets in your mind, which will lead you towards the ultimate. Even if you're somebody who is working in a corporate sector from 9 to 5 kind of a job, even then you need to have a vision in front of you. Always live your life on purpose, not without purpose. Because if you are somebody who is living your life purposefully or on purpose or with purpose, then you are somebody who is not only become an example for yourself, even if you will be someone who will be leading by an example for others to follow. So always have a vision or a mission for you to live your life, because ultimately you'll have to be someone who should lead by an example. And to do that, you need to have a vision. And to have a vision, you need to have small targets before you. So always be aware of that little thing which can change yourself, which can change your life. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, like and share as much as you can, because in the next video we'll have an executive to share his opinion with you. So stay curious for that, and don't forget to watch its videos, because we are about to bring some more interesting sessions for you. So stay curious.